Okay, so here we are with Alan's Midland 77104 UK, which is not the DUK, but the UK with the proper channel selector where they can actually mark channel 9, and rather than one that boots up on channel 9 because it's just an up-down switch. So this worked out really well, full 4 watt output and really good receive 0.33 microvolts. So it just was a retune and test. Let's go over to Mr Chippie channel. Tango 21 test. Roger. Right, I just want to talk a bit more to you because I haven't heard it on its own speaker yet.
Yeah, roger that. Go ahead.
That's absolutely fine. Back in the day it was 2, 4, 6, 8, your turn to modulate.
Yeah, roger that.
Okay, got the extension speaker in and ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. No tone control on this one.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Got you at the end of the year. End of the lane, I said end of the year, didn't I?
End of the lane, I said end of the year, didn't I?
You did, it's not the end of the year yet, that's a way away.
Got a good comment on you picking up the wrong microphone. He says, I was working on something on the bench and there was a number of microphones. You just couldn't think which one it was which was connected.
Nah, it's easily done, isn't it?
When I was at Nottingham Radio, there was a taxi driver who on the phone with about 120 cars, and he got a Citizens Band radio in his car as well as the taxi one. I'm just going to let the mic go because you're probably passing the thingy.
Yep, roger that. Now passing Ancaster Service Station 139.9, 149.9.
Excellent, Roger. So anyway, he picked up the wrong mic and carried on a CB conversation, and his taxi controller went along with it for about 30 seconds. Said, "You silly fool, pick up the right mic."
Roger that. Right, we're now square-wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, now I got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, don't know why the high dike's closed, have you any idea?
No, I came back from posting those parts had been ordered via eBay, and I noticed it was closed, so don't know whether the top of the road's burnt down or whether it's roadworks.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Yeah, I mean, traffic's coming out that junction, but you just can't turn up, so I don't know what the issue is.
That tank's probably come to life.
Yeah, or the wind blew it off its pedestal and it's now on one side of the road.
The Russia is so short a stack of tanks they've had to airlift it out.
Yeah, or the turret came off.
I'll take it.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. Let's go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Roger, got you loud and clear once again. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear once again. Going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on the Midland 77104 UK, which is the better version of the Baby Midland, and it's one that belongs to Alan, using a standard replacement mic, and he's doing a full 4-watt output. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
When this came in, it's not supposed to have a fault on it, but it was dead, it wouldn't power up. So I look at the fuse holder, and in the fuse holder was a card type fuse, which wasn't really, it was about an inch long instead of an inch and a quarter, which was really, really corroded and probably about 20 amp rated, and of course that was what was wrong. So that's part of the repair video, and it wasn't even supposed to be repaired, but you know what I mean. But it's good advice for people to check things like that.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, 20 amps is useless in something like that. You know, the thing will blow up before the fuse goes.
Yes, so I would think that in its corroded state, if it had have worked, we'd have probably got 1 watt out of it on transmit, because it'd be current limiting over.
Yep, that's true. Right, we're now past the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So Roger's using full 4 watt, he's drawing 898 milliamps for this full 4 watt output, which is excellent. And if I can find the low power switch, here we go. 54321, now on low power, doing 400 milliwatts and drawing 340 milliamps of current, back to full power, and there we are back at full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, well received on both, no problems at all.
Excellent, off you go.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, same as yesterday, 141.9, 151.9. Over.
Excellent. So once again, the traders worked really well on the test. Thank you, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a special price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, same as yesterday, 141.9, 151.9. Over.
Excellent. So once again, the traders worked really well on the test. Thank you, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, so we'll go over to our base station. Yeah, what I was sort of dangling in front of the radio is this fuse, which have we got something which is going to show up against? I don't think it's going to show up very well against a white piece of paper, but it's a car fuse. It's a blue one, and it's so thick it's probably 20 amps. It's really, really corroded. So being about an inch long and not inch and a quarter, which the glass fuses used in these fuse holders are, of course it hasn't got the pressure anyway, and so it would be loose in the holder. So glad I spotted that, because had it not played up I may not have inspected it, and of course it's far too great a current rating. So you normally want 2 to 3 amps on UK CB radios. Older ones 2 amps, newer ones 3 amps. Thanks. So we'll go over to our base station, we'll see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic. Then we'll go over to the factory original mic which Alan sent with the radio.
Tango 21, testing Midland 77104 UK with our standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto low power just as a possible hum test. Now we're on low power, and then we'll go back to full power. There we are, back at 4 watts. So now we'll do exactly the same exercise with the factory original mic. Tango 21, testing with the factory original mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hum test on low power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then back to full power. So there we go, that's the test ends. We've got it York 867 to try and finish tomorrow. Then we'll be moving on to one of those Maycom EM27s which you can never actually fix. So we'll have a go doing that because it is in good condition. So